Good morning, teachers. I just want to make sure that we're all on the same page as far as the distance learning template goes for your lessons. So the first thing is you don't have to make a video every single day. You don't have to record yourself. There's a lot of pre-recorded material out there on YouTube. All you have to do is just go to youtube.com and type in the particular TEAG or content that you would like to find. The next part is about the PowerPoint. You don't have to make a PowerPoint every day either. This PowerPoint that you create can definitely be used for the entire week. And so with that being said, I'll go slide by slide just so that you are aware of the expectation, and that if you have any questions, you may definitely reach out to me. In order to put a video into your slideshow, if you just select insert and go to video, it will give you the opportunity to search YouTube for those videos. So that part is pretty easy. The next part is to make sure that you have an introduction on your slideshow. 15 to 20 slides. Anything more than that is overkill. So you want to try to capture the most content and the most important information within the 15 to 16 range. The next thing, make sure you tell them who you are, about your class, and the TEAG that you'll be covering for that particular day or for the week. The next part is your content and language objective, what the student is expected to know. Should definitely be included in that particular slideshow. You don't have to use this template. You can use any Google slide template that you find that fits your particular content area. The next part is give the students the directions of what they are expected to learn and what they're expected to do for that particular day or the week. Also, the materials that they'll need. Keep in mind, materials may be a little bit short right now with people going through this COVID-19 situation, so you want to make sure that these are household items that are readily available to all students. You do have the option as well as far as mailing materials home for kids in case you want to do something a little bit outside of the box. Next thing, give the students the introduction of the lesson. Again, this does not have to be a video of yourself. You're more than welcome to find anything on YouTube. You can also do a screencast, which is very similar to what I'm doing right now, except you will not see a video of yourself down here on the bottom of the screen. Screencast-O-Matic is what I'm using to make this video, and it's something that I would encourage you to use if you would like to record your voice, or either just a screencast of yourself presenting the material to your students. The next thing, teach the lesson. You would have to have an anchor chart here. You're more than welcome to take a picture on your cell phone, or again, use Pinterest or Google, anything of that nature, so that students are able to see what they are intended to learn and you teaching the actual lesson. The next part is to teach the actual lesson. After you get the overview of the introduction of it, go ahead and teach it. And again, you can use a brain pop video, a vocabulary video, any video of you actually teaching the lesson that's available out there, or you may give step-by-step directions by simply typing it onto the slide. This is where you'll practice the skill together. This is the we do part of the lesson, where students will actually practice with you going over it. Again, this could be a video, it could be a step-by-step process with pictures, but there must be something of you practicing that particular skill together with that child before they do the independent practice. The last part is the independent practice, and this right here is very important, because this is where you will get your anecdotal notes and the documentation of the accountability aspect of students actually doing the work when they're not in school. Again, this could be a hands-on activity. This could be in the form of a Google form. It could be any way that you would have students capture the work that they did at home independently, and then they'll submit it to you via text message, Blooms, or through your Google Classroom. Please do not hesitate to let me know if you have any questions or if you need additional support.